Hello everyone. Remember this tutorial? Yes, it is easy if there are few images that can be inserted manually. But what if there are 100 images? For this we need automation. Let's begin. But before we start, I just wanted to share a small message for my viewers. If there are any future updates for this video, please check the description. Next, please share your video ideas on this community tab. Now let's get back to the video. To automate this, we're going to use Actiona, a free open source software, which is a simple GUI drag and drop tool for creating scripts, which is simple for non-programmers who don't know how to code. Download and install from this website. Now, full disclosure here, this is not a full tutorial on how to use Actiona, just a fraction of it. And also there are some cases that it won't work as intended. Let me tell you about it after the tutorial. Start Actiona application. Let's create a new script. Create an integer variable called count and set value to 1. Create key press condition, aka trigger key. Here I set it to back quote or tilde key on my keyboard. Create input window asking, how many images? And set to integer type and assign to variable, count. Simulate key press T. Toggle switch to timeline. Then another, Control plus right, to jump to next guide in timeline. Simulate key press B. Keyboard shortcut for overwrite. Then again T. Toggle switch to project bin. Finally simulate down key. Repeat loop until count -1. Also disable console and execution window in settings. Save the script. Then run the script. There is an Actiona app icon in your taskbar's notification area, where you can stop execution anytime. Open Kdenlive. Just for this demo, we are going to create 3 color clips. Next, add 3 guides. Lock other tracks if other clips are present on different tracks. Make sure the playhead or cursor is located at the start of timeline. Click on clip. Press the key that you set in the script. Since there are 3 clips, so I will enter 3 and press enter. Let the magic begin. Well, it's working as intended. You can also convert script to exe file and assign macro key on keyboard or mouse. Also, you can use Steam Deck or alternative, which we will discuss about it in the future videos. Here is the problem. If the video or image clip duration is longer and crossing over next guide location, then, when inserting first clip at the first guide, the cursor or playhead will move at the end of the clip, thus skipping the second guide or more guides. If you know anything that can be improved, Let me know in the comments. So that's all for today.
Please don't forget to smash that like button and share the video. And also subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.